In this video, we will show you how to demonstrate AI Producer Studio for a remote audience over Teams or Zoom. We will walk through two formats, meeting and product demonstration. Both formats run on the same setup, which keeps everything simple to manage. Before we get started, a few things to note. Make sure your PC is plugged into the power adapter and that the power mode is set to best performance. AI Producer Studio is exclusive to HP next-gen AI PCs and will not run on any other devices. So let's start with the setup. AI Producer Studio runs on an HP next-gen AI PC with two cameras connected for AI-assisted multicam. You can use any cameras, and the setup you're about to see is one example that works well. Here we use the built-in PC camera and a second camera, such as one built into your monitor. For product demonstration, a product camera is pointed at the object you want to feature. Position the cameras at eye level for a natural straight-on view. A laptop stand or riser raises the PC camera, and the second camera should be set at a similar height. Remember to turn off the built-in AI in the monitor camera when using AI Producer Studio. With AI Producer Studio configured, start or join your Teams or Zoom meeting. In this case, we will use Teams. In the meeting, select AI Producer Studio as the camera so that everything the AI produces is what the audience sees. Spotlight yourself in the meeting so that the viewers get the largest possible window. A quick note on virtual backgrounds. The built-in virtual background or blur in Teams or Zoom works with the meeting format, but not with screen share or product demonstration. For those, turn it off in the meeting platform. AI Producer Studio's own virtual background feature is coming soon and will work just like it does in your online meeting platform. We will start with the meeting format. With two cameras connected, AI Producer Studio switches between them based on where the presenter is looking. When the presenter turns back to the other camera, the view follows. To demonstrate this, look from one camera to the other and let the audience see the switch happen. This solves a common problem in remote meetings where participants end up looking at the side of someone's head when they turn to a second screen. If you have a colleague available, have them join you in front of the cameras. Click on Select Presenters. Select them as a presenter, and if AI Producer Studio has not already detected them, hit the Redetect button for AI Producer Studio to detect them, then you can select them. Next is the product demonstration format. Click on Product Demo in the UI and move the mouse or interact with the product underneath the product camera. AI Producer Studio switches to that camera and stays focused as long as the presenter keeps interacting with the product. In this video, we are using the mouse to represent the product, but you can feature anything you want in the product camera. Looking back from the product into camera 1 brings up a split screen view of the presenter and the product. Looking back at the product returns to a full screen view of the product, and removing the hand brings the view back to the presenter in full screen. When you are streaming or recording, you will also often want to share content. In order to do that, you click on Share Content, select your screen or your window. In this case, I will select my screen and click Start Sharing. The view goes to side by side, and when you switch to the next slide, AI Producer Studio analyzes what happened on the screen. Because the new slide has new content, AI Producer Studio goes to full focus for an amount of time that depends on how much information is on the slide, then returns back to this split screen layout. And one important point to underscore, AI Producer Studio does not use any LLMs or SLMs. It is not reading what is on the screen, it is not listening, and it is not training on your content. Everything stays locally on the PC. So there you have it. That is how you demonstrate AI Producer Studio to a remote audience over Teams or Zoom.